I want you to take a deep breath. Just pause for a moment and listen. Life isn't fair, and that is exactly why you have a choice. You can let it break you, or you can let it make you. And I promise you this, you are stronger than you think. Stronger than the pain you felt, stronger than the doubt you carry, stronger than the fear that's been whispering in your ear since the day you were born. I've been there. I've sat in the darkness, wondering if anyone even noticed my struggle. I've wondered if the world had moved on without me. I've felt the emptiness of trying, failing, and trying again. And let me tell you something. It's in that very darkness. That's where the fire is born. I remember when I thought I wasn't enough. I remember the days when every door was closed, every opportunity blocked, every voice telling me, you can't. And if I'm honest, I almost believed them, almost gave up, almost let my dreams die quietly in the shadows. But something inside me, something stubborn, something relentless, whispered, not today. And that's when I realized, strength isn't given, strength is chosen, every single day. You choose it when you wake up and say, I will not quit, not today, not ever. And I know it's hard. I know you felt it too. That crushing weight of failure, rejection, heartbreak, and disappointment. And yes, it feels heavy, unbearable at times. But here's the truth. Pain isn't your enemy. Pain is your teacher. Pain shows you exactly where you need to grow, exactly where you need to fight, and exactly where you need to rise. I failed more times than I can even count. And I'll be honest, some of those failures almost broke me. But let me tell you something that changed my life. Every failure is a step forward if you're willing to learn. Every no, every setback, every door slammed in your face is not the end. It's the universe testing you, asking, do you really want this? And you, my friend, you better want it more than anything else. You see, winners aren't people who never fail. Winners are the ones who stand up again and again, even when the world expects them to lie down. Winners are the ones who look at the impossible and smile. Because deep down, they know that impossible is just a word, and they know their story hasn't been written yet. Belief, that's the secret. Belief in yourself. Belief in your dreams. Belief that no matter how far you've fallen, you can rise again. When I started believing, really believing, that I was meant for more, that's when things began to change. Opportunities appeared, people started noticing. Doors that had been closed for years slowly began to open. And it doesn't matter if someone else believes in you. It doesn't matter if the world doubts you. What matters is that you believe in you. Because belief is magnetic, belief is powerful, belief moves mountains, and the only person who can stop you is you. Fear is a liar. Fear will tell you, stay small, stay safe, don't risk it. But the truth is, fear is the first sign that you're about to grow. Fear is the doorway to courage. Fear is the spark that ignites your destiny. And if you're brave enough to walk through it, you'll find yourself stronger than you ever imagined. I've stared fear in the face. I've felt the cold sweat, the racing heart, the doubt. And every time, I took a step forward anyway. And every time, I discovered new strength. That's how legends are made. Not by avoiding fear, but by facing it head on. And let me tell you something else. Greatness isn't just about success or wealth. It's about responsibility. Responsibility to yourself. Responsibility to the people you inspire. Responsibility to the legacy you leave behind. You can't just chase power or fame or money and expect it to fulfill you. True greatness comes from impact, from lifting others, from showing the world what's possible. And when you start living like that, when you start living with purpose, life stops being a series of obstacles. It becomes a journey, a mission, a story worth telling. Resilience, that's the word. You will fall, you will fail, you will get hurt, you will feel broken. But the question is, will you rise? Will you get up when the world expects you to stay down? Will you keep moving forward when every muscle in your body screams to quit? That is what separates the extraordinary from the ordinary. And I promise you, every challenge, every hardship, every struggle is shaping you. It's molding you. It's building the unbreakable version of yourself that the world has been waiting for. So here's the truth. Your moment isn't tomorrow. It's not next week. It's not when everything feels perfect. Your moment is now, right now. This breath, this heartbeat, this second, it's yours, and it's powerful. You have a choice. You can let this moment pass, or you can seize it. You can let fear win, or you can rise. You can stay small, or you can step into the greatness you were born to claim. Now I want you to look at yourself, right here, right now. Say it out loud, I am unstoppable. Say it until you feel it, until it resonates in your bones. Because that voice, that belief, that energy, that's the power that will move mountains. And I want to hear from you. What's your story? What's your struggle? What's the one thing you refuse to give up on? Comment below. Let the world know that you're fighting, that you're rising, that you're unstoppable. Because your voice, your story, your fight matters. I'll leave you with this. Life will test you. It will challenge you. It will knock you down. But remember this. You are stronger than every challenge. You are smarter than every doubt. You are braver than every fear. And you are unstoppable. Rise. Now. Rise.